Yeah, look at ma'am. This side, ma'am, please. Yeah. Yeah, look at. And this side, yes, please. Excuse me. Yes, yes. Ma'am. Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. This side, yes. Forward, yes. Okay. This side, yes.
Look here, look here.
And this side, yes. Next stage.
खुशी जी यहाँ पे है।
खुशी खुशी सेंटर सेंटर
खुशी ऊपर,
खुशी ऊपर देखिए
खुशी
ऊपर
ऊपर ऊपर ऊपर, खुशी ऊपर।
This side, ma'am, please. Excuse me.
हाथ नीचे कर प्रेम।
नवीन जी
अरे आवाज दिखाना।
खुशी जी यहाँ पे देखिए
एक बार कर.
तेरी आवाज में खुशी 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 जी।
ऐसी नहीं आती.
Miss Sethi, if you're around, we'd love to have you in the image. Mrs. Sethi,
Ma'am, center, this camera. This side, yes, please.
अरे भाई साहब बैठ के कर लो ना यार आगे भी खड़े हो जा रहे हो यार
We'll start off with A and I will immediately start off with the bike. Bandhani, Patola, but like try to redo it in our way. Yeah, thank you. I'd like to know one question. You are such a stylish and similarly your sister is. So one of the outfits you would like to steal from Janhvi's wardrobe.
I feel like we have one communal wardrobe, so everything that's hers is automatically already mine, so I don't think I can count it as stealing.
I think before we go ahead, we would love to know how do you feel wearing ribbon diamond? I think all of us would want to know that.
I'm feeling great, I'm feeling powerful, I feel like there's a sense of structure and fluidity at the same time, and I feel like it's really empowering to be in a traditional outfit that has a twist like this, with the materials that Rimzan has decided to use. I'm feeling strong and I'm feeling great.
Absolutely looking gorgeous. So can we have a few thoughts from you on this collaboration with Rimzan Diamond?
So it's our debut at this Couture week, and I'm so glad that we did it with Rimzan. I think it was a perfect match, and I'm so happy.
The jewels are looking amazing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Now next question, PVR, please come ahead.
yeah. Rimzan, what made you choose Khushi Kapoor as your showstopper?
Admired her personal sense of style, and I think she's a cool fashion girl, and she appeals to the Gen Z cool fashion crowd, and I love Khushi for her fashion.
And Khushi, how was the experience of walking the ramp?
I honestly think I can say that this is the first time I've really felt easy and comfortable and confident while walking the ramp. I've not done it many times, but I feel like I felt so in my element today because I love what I was wearing, and I think there's just a sense of comfort in these clothes because they're so strong and powerful, and I think I kind of resonate with that a little bit.
Mrs. Eddy, can we please have you here?
So I want to tell you that I was ashamed to come here because I have not as beautiful as this, but I have a wonderful jacket that she's given me, but no time to even change. Thank you very much. We loved the show, and a lot of the people who came here, the guests said, this is what Couture Week should be all about. And the best thing is, even though Khushi may have walked for a few shows, but this is her debut at India Couture Week. So give her a big hand because she was so confident and fabulous, and we love the smile that you always had. One more thing, I really like the jewelry of Jagat that you're wearing, so thank you guys for being part of this.
No, No, I think immediately as soon as we saw it, we were drawn to it. It kind of elevated the outfit, and it kind of goes with the structure of the outfit. I think the layers and the necklaces and the color kind of makes everything pop. I think it definitely. Thank you so much.
If somebody wants to.
I mean, I like everything about this outfit. I like that it takes inspiration from the Banjara tribes of Gujarat. So I feel like there's a sense of home in it, and it kind of incorporates a sense of today's style with its edginess and its structure. It's actually made of steel, which is crazy, and each of these motifs are like piles linked together. So I like that it has a story to it, and kind of makes me feel like I'm wearing something like authentic and interesting.
And also, like, celebs have often, they are under pressure of how they look, what they're wearing, all. So how challenging it is for you, or how you deal with it?
I think the most important thing is just feeling good and comfortable and confident yourself. I think because I'm feeling really comfortable in what I'm wearing, and I'm really happy about my outfit and everything. I'm feeling really calm. So I think that's the most important thing.
Thank you.
Thank you.